Yeah, all
Oh,
this
I
little
see a
thief guy
bigger
does is
house.
pick up. Oh shit.
Guys, we need to dash at least 150 times.
Oh, here, yeah. Just dash everywhere.
I'm dashing this entire time. I just dash naturally.
I may have made a whoopsie in my design choices.
Fox, get on this side. Fox, get on this side. Fox, get on this side.
Why?
Because then we wouldn't have had to act.
I'm having a great time.
We got a vendetta over those ducks. Do foxes kill ducks?
Yeah.
Is that a thing? Okay.
Run, I have a rock. It's you.
You.
There you go.
Alright, is this all we can stockpile?
Your friend.
We're gonna keep that rock alive, or else I'm gonna make sure we lose.
Let's see what we got here. No.
Over two. Yeah. That. Okay. Better stack, better craft.
Yeah. Fox, trees, now. Go. Go to the trees, thank you.
Why are you acting like the trees are so important, bro? Bro wants to get rid of all trees.
For real. Like, what are they gonna do? Keep us alive? No, because they stand still and a tree. Bro, don't even say global warming. What do you mean?
I was gonna say that they provide wood for us to build the rails to not fail the game, but you know.
Oh, wow.
That's true.
Yeah, all
Oh,
this
I
little
see a
thief guy
bigger
does is
house.
pick up. Oh shit.
Oh, it's raining, right. I don't need to worry about the thing.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll start stockpiling now so we can, Why are you killing the ducks?
I hate them.
Actually, me too.
I did tell him to.
You can move the rails, it's okay.
Oh,
The ghost!
Ghost!
The ghost goes in the middle. The ghost goes in the middle.
Give me the ghost. No, give me the ghost. Give me the ghost. No!
Rodney? What? Oh no, I never listened to Kendrick Lamar because I have friends.
Wait, did you just imply our English teacher doesn't have friends?
Dude, Fox, if you can get all that wood, that would be so, like, top tier. Oh, the villain guy's helping
bro.
us. Thank you.
Oh,
Yo,
yeah.
can you bring that over here? Alright, or Ann could just steal it from you. Yeah, get the ghost.
Yeah,
You can't
get-
dash into it.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Hold up, why do we still have 3 bolts?
Oh, it glitched!
Jeez.
Hell yeah.
Good job, Fox.
Wait, Fox, you moved the ghost! Stop messing with my train! There you go. Fuck!
There's the nut is behind the thing. The nut's behind the tree. Do you want to go grab that, Fox? Wait for my
Only
post.
one player is allowed to pick up the bucket, by the way.
Oh, that's fine, it'll just be me.
Stop it, Fox.
Oh, fuck.
Oh shit!
No, don't. God damn it.
Oh, okay. I just thought you were doing a weird little thing. I was like, what?
No.
Oh, okay, sorry. Fox, there's like so many rubber duckies over here, dude. What are you doing?
Go get this
Yeah,
one. I
that
need to
wood
kill
is-
those ducks.
That smell. Fire?
Why are you grabbing the wood? That wood is to kill the duckies. There's like a little bit of a fire.
That would seem to be the case. How are we better at this than most adults? This one is ass. This one is not great either. We could save up for the new engine, or we could get a better crafting
Why do you
thing
wanna save up for the
capacity
new
or
engine?
this.
I'm saying, I'm just gonna say crafting. Crafting's probably smarter.
Okay, Fox, put the dynamite down.
The two, like, Oh shit. Uh-oh. not how we lose, right?
Guys, I think the wagon's a little bit burning right now.
Why do you say that when it's done?
I'm gonna go get a snack.
Of all times we need Fox to kill duckies, now was one of the times. And he's gone for a snack.
Duckies?
Fuck? I didn't even notice we switched. That was clean.
I'll do it.
Too good?
What?
Just so mesmerized by the bolt.
We never got the dynamite ever again. And screw you.
Stack up 20 commodities in a single pile.
Alright. 1 second, y'all.
Ooh, dynamite, 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 dynamite.
Yeah.
Okay.
Please, 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 please.
You promised him, yeah, do it.
I did, yeah, just let me put it where it needs to go.
Place it in the most bullshit places.
You got
Whack.
Only one out of all of us that can. Maybe I'll make the duck noise.
Whack.
I doubt it. Maybe. No, just go at, and then like you know when you do phlegm and you go like that. Yeah, like that. But you gotta open your mouth. Yeah. But just open your mouth.
Sorry. Yeah, we gotta go this. No, we have to go down. Dude, oh my god. Move.
You made noise like a cow. Oh, that's a really good fucking cow.
Oh, guys, we need some wood over here.
Really fucking.
Don't worry, guys.
I ain't giving Fox 1 second to waste this.
I mean, I can always take it out. So
You
like-
can't actually.
Oh, really?
Alright, save. Fox, get your ass over here.
Why?
So, cause I need to leave.